जय श्री राधे। प्रोग्रेसिव शॉर्टहैंड मार्च 2021 एक्सरसाइज 11 डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट स्टार्ट। मिस्टर डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, आई सपोर्ट द एड्रेस made by the President before the members of both the houses. It consists of matters relating to all-round progress of India, maintaining unity and integrity of the country, honor of the women, providing a boost to agriculture and removal of the shortage of pulses. First, I would like to speak on agriculture. After the nationalization of banks, farmers had set up tube wells and irrigated their land. With the availability of irrigation facilities, good seeds and good quality fertilizers, the agricultural production has increased. Just now it was stated in the House that when our population was 40 crore, we used to import food grains from abroad. But with the rise in population, our stock of food grains has also increased. For this, all the credit goes to our Prime Minister. During his regime, farmers were sanctioned loans and all facilities were made available to them. Farmers worked very hard and increased the production of food grains. At present, there is a little shortage of pulses. The President has said in his address that rupees 50 crores have been earmarked for increasing the production of pulses so that production of pulses may increase and their rates might be reduced and the consumers may be able to get them at lower prices. This will solve the problem of shortage of pulses with the hard work of farmers. I would also like to say that the farmers produce crop while working very hard. But there are certain things on which the government should pay its attention. The farmer works hard for the whole year, but when the crops are ready for harvesting, health storms damage his crops. Sometimes their granary catches fire. The government should pay attention towards this so that the morale of farmer gets a boost and he might be in a position to produce more and more. I would like to express my view about unemployment. The DRDA provided 3-wheeler scooters, which also helped in getting license to the unemployed, educated youth of Delhi so that they could earn their livelihood. Bank loans were provided to petty shopkeepers, rehriwalas and vendors on a very nominal interest. It is a fact that in the entire country 20 lakh people were helped so to bring themselves above the poverty line. Full stop. The reason is that the government helps them so that they may become self-reliant. Full stop.